Essay on Dashehra. Introduction. Dashehra, also known as Vijayadashami, is a major Hindu festival celebrated with great enthusiasm across India and Nepal. It signifies the triumph of good over evil and marks the end of the 9-day festival of Navratri. Dashehra usually falls in the month of September or October, on the 10th day of the bright half, Shukla Paksh, of the Hindu month of Ashwin. The festival is celebrated differently in various parts of India, but its core message remains the same: the victory of righteousness over sin. Historical and religious significance. Dashehra holds deep mythological and historical significance, primarily associated with two major events in Hindu mythology. 1. Victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. According to the Hindu epic, Ramayana, Dashehra celebrates the victory of Lord Rama, the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu, over the demon king Ravana. Ravana had kidnapped Lord Rama's wife, Sita, and taken her to his kingdom in Lanka. With the help of Hanuman and his army, Rama fought Ravana, killed him, and rescued Sita. This victory is celebrated on Dashehra, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. 2. Victory of goddess Durga over Mahishasura. In another tradition, Dashehra celebrates the victory of goddess Durga over the buffalo demon Mahishasura. Mahishasura had terrorized the heavens and the earth, and it was only after 9 days of fierce battle that Durga defeated him. This aspect of Dashehra is more prominently celebrated in the eastern and northeastern parts of India. The celebrations across India. Dashehra is celebrated differently in various regions, each with its unique customs and rituals. 1. North India. In northern states like Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Delhi, Dashehra is celebrated by reenacting scenes from the Ramayana known as Ramlila. Effigies of Ravana, along with his brother Kumbhakaran and son Meghnad, are set ablaze, symbolizing the destruction of evil. The grand spectacle is accompanied by music, dance, and fireworks. 2. West Bengal and Eastern India. In West Bengal, Odisha, and Assam, Dashehra coincides with the culmination of Durga Puja. Elaborate idols of goddess Durga, along with her children, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kartikeya, and Ganesha, are worshipped for 9 days. On the 10th day, the idols are immersed in rivers and seas in a grand procession known as Visarjan. 3. South India. In Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Dashehra is celebrated as a victory of goddess Chamundeshwari, Durga, over the demon Mahishasura. The famous Mysore Dashehra is known for its grandeur, with a grand procession of decorated elephants, traditional music, and dance performances. In Tamil Nadu, families arrange Golu, a display of dolls representing various deities and scenes from mythology. 4. Western India. In Gujarat and Maharashtra, Dashehra is marked by the end of Navratri, with Garba and Dandiya Ras dances held throughout the 9 days. On Dashehra, people worship their vehicles, tools, and books, symbolizing the invocation of blessings for prosperity and knowledge. Rituals and traditions. Dashehra rituals are rich in symbolism and tradition, reflecting the core values of the festival. Effigy burning. In northern India, the burning of Ravana's effigy is a significant ritual that symbolizes the destruction of evil forces. This is usually done in large public spaces, where huge effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakaran, and Meghnad are set on fire amidst fireworks and celebrations. Worship of tools and instruments. In many parts of India, particularly in the southern and western regions, people worship their tools, vehicles, and machinery on Dashehra. This practice, known as Ayudha Puja, is a way of seeking divine blessings for success in professional endeavors. Exchange of Apta leaves. In Maharashtra, there is a tradition of exchanging Apta tree leaves, which are considered to symbolize gold. This ritual is done to wish each other prosperity and good fortune. Visarjan. In places where Dashehra coincides with Durga Puja, like West Bengal, The immersion of goddess Durga's idol in rivers or seas marks the end of the celebrations. People bid farewell to the goddess with chants and prayers, wishing for her return the following year. Significance of Dashehra. Dashehra is not just a celebration of religious and mythological events but also a reminder of moral and ethical values. The festival teaches us that no matter how powerful evil may seem, it will always be defeated by truth and righteousness. It encourages individuals to reflect on their inner battles and strive for personal growth and moral integrity. Dashehra also marks the beginning of the harvest season in India. Farmers celebrate the festival with gratitude for a bountiful harvest and hope for prosperity in the coming season. The festival is an occasion to strengthen community ties, with people coming together for public celebrations, feasts, and cultural events. Conclusion. Dashehra is a festival that resonates with the spirit of victory, hope, and renewal. It reminds us that the light of goodness will always dispel the darkness of evil, and that faith, courage, and righteousness are the key to overcoming challenges. By celebrating Dashehra, we not only honor our traditions but also reaffirm our commitment to living by the values of truth and justice in our daily lives.